The upcoming assignments panel on the teacher and student dashboards provides an at-a-glance view of student progress on upcoming assignments. On the teacher's dashboard, the upcoming assignments panel contains the following columns. The first column is the Track Student Progress icon. Selecting this allows you to see how your students are progressing on each lesson. Select the student's name for progress on other assignments and to view their practice log. Select the lesson in the title column to view the lesson page. The third column allows you to filter for different workbooks. You can filter for all workbooks, date workbooks, unit, subject, and eNovativePiano workbooks, and any individual workbook that isn't hidden. If you have assigned a due date, it will appear in the fourth column. You can filter out pinned lessons if you wish. The Submission Status column displays a progress bar that shows the class submission rate for this lesson based on students' self-reported progress. The number next to that is the number of students who have completed the assignment. In this example, 3 out of 4 have completed this lesson. The class submission collective rate is based on students' self-reported progress and is calculated as follows. Not started, 0%. Just started, 33%. Still working, 66%. Got it, 100%. To see individual student progress, select the progress bar or the tracking icon in column 1. At the top right corner, you can choose how many assignments to show in the current view. In a date format workbook, assignments with upcoming due dates are shown. When the due date has passed, they will no longer be included on this list. In a unit subject or eNovativePiano format workbook, all assignments in a unit will be shown until the teacher has marked the entire unit as complete in the workbook. This includes dated items that have been placed on a checklist. On the student's dashboard, the upcoming assignments panel contains the following columns. The title column shows a lesson title and links to the lesson page, where the student can practice the lesson and indicate or update their progress. Column 2 filters for all workbooks and for individual workbooks. Column 3 displays the due date if one has been assigned. Remember that in a unit subject or eNovativePiano format workbook, there are no due dates unless items are contained on a dated checklist. Column 4 displays a student's self-reported progress status for each assignment. There are 4 options for self-reporting. The student can filter for any of these 4 options. Hidden assignments or units won't be displayed on the upcoming assignments panel. To keep a record of student progress on past due assignments, include all workbook assignments in a checklist and use the Track Student Progress feature. For more information on checklists, watch our tutorial, Tracking Student Progress, Creating and Managing Checklists.